Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add keyframes to your clip in CapCut PC. For example, I'm going to add one image, or you can add your video, for instance. Alright, how to add keyframe? You can go to basic and body position and size and right. You can find keyframe icon. Just add keyframe and you can scroll, you can swipe to the right and you can resize your clip and swipe to the right again, and you can just put a scale if you like. So I'm going to make the zoom in zoom out effect using a keyframe. Change for the rotation. Go. So this is the final effect. So it's super simple. That's how you can add keyframe to your clip in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for